The Internet Group Management Protocol (IGMP) manages the membership of hosts and routing devices in multicast groups. Internet Protocol hosts use Internet Group Management Protocol to report their multicast group memberships to any immediately neighboring multicast routing devices. Multicast routing devices use Internet Group Management Protocol to learn for each of their attached physical networks which groups have members. IGMP is also used as a transport for several related multicast protocols. For example, Distant Vector Multicast Routing Protocol and Protocol Independent Multicast version. A routing device receives explicit, join, and prune messages from those neighboring routing devices that have downstream group members. When PIM is the multicast protocol in use, IGMP begins the process as follows. Number 1. To join multicast group G, a host conveys its membership information through IGMP. Number 2. The routing device then forwards data packets addressed to a multicast group G to only those interfaces on which explicit join messages have been received. Number 3. A designated router sends periodic join and prune messages toward a group-specific rendezvous point for each group for which it has active members. One or more routing devices are automatically or statically designed as the RP, and all routing devices must explicitly join through the RP. Number 4, each routing device along the path toward the RP builds a wildcard any source state for the group and sends join and prune messages toward the RP. The term route or route entry is used to refer to the state maintained in a routing device to represent the distribution tree. A route entry can include such fields as source address, group address, incoming interface from which packets are accepted, list of outgoing interfaces to which packets are sent, timers, and flag bets. The wildcard route entries incoming interface points toward the RP. The outgoing interfaces point to the neighboring downstream routing devices that have sent join and prune messages toward the RP, as well as the directly connected hosts that have requested membership to group G. And number 5, this state creates a shaded RP-centered distribution tree that registers all group members. IGMP is also used as the transport for several related multicast protocols, for example, Distant Vector Multicast Routing Protocol and Protocol Independent Multicast version. Starting in UNO's operating system release 15.2, PIM version number 1 or Protocol Independent Multicast version number 1 is not supported. IGMP is an integral part of Internet Protocol and must be enabled on all routing devices and hosts that need to receive Internet Protocol multicast traffic. For each attached network, a multicast routing device can be either a querier or a non-querier. The querier routing device periodically sends general query messages to solicit group membership information. Hosts on the network that are members of a multicast group and report messages. When a host leaves a group, it sends a leave group message. IGMP version number 3 supports inclusion and exclusion lists. Inclusion lists enable you to specify which source can send to a multicast group. This type of multicast group is called a source-specific multicast group. and its multicast addresses is 232/8. igmp version number 3 provides support for source filtering. For example, a routing device can specify particular routing devices from which it accepts or rejects a traffic. With igmp version 3, my multicast routing device can learn which sources are of interest to neighboring routing devices. Exclusion mode works the opposite of an inclusion list. It allows any source but the one listed to send to the SM group. igmp version number 3 interoperates with version 1 and number 2 of the protocol. However, to remain compatible with older or legacy igmp hosts and routing devices, igmp version 3 routing devices must also implement version 1 and 2 of the protocol. igmp version 3 supports the following membership report. Record ties. Model is allowed, allowing sources and block and sources. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next lesson.